but there's also some scary things in that country. The first thing is the people there are very poor. The country there is very, very poor. So the people can be a little scary, but they're nice. The second is, do you know Dracula? Dracula, the vampire? Okay, so the story, Dracula, you know that story? Okay, so that started in Romania. So it's kind of creepy to be there, but it's a very beautiful place. So I want to go there someday. Okay, so think, why do you want to go to France or Japan or where did you say you wanted to go? Japan. Okay, Japan. So we had Japan. Singapore. There we go. That was our different. So we have France, Japan, and Singapore. Okay, so why do you want to go to Singapore? So is it the people? Is it the things you can buy? Is it the view? The view, yeah. So I'm trying to remember, where is Singapore? Where is Singapore? Is it near Thailand? Thailand? Or no? Oh, I remember, okay. My world map is very strange. Okay, so you want to go for the view, right? And why do you want to go to Japan? The scenery, yeah. Japan is a very beautiful place. And it's very different from north to south. Everything is very different. In the north you have a lot of snow, you can go skiing, you can go to the hot springs with monkeys, right? And then the south is Okinawa, Kyushu, all those places are more warm and tropical, right? So very different experience. And why do you want to go to Japan? Clean? Okay. See the houses. Oh, the houses are very cute, right? Very small. And the cars are too, very cute. Everything is cute in Japan. Hello Kitty and all those cute little things. I like Japan that way. Okay, and why do you want to go to France? Shopping. Good shopping. A little expensive, but good shopping. I really like food, their food. Okay, creme brulee, crepes, what else do they have? Croissants, baguettes, oh, it's all very good. They make really good food. Okay, and why do you want to go to France? Drink wine. The French wine is very top. And cheese. Wine and cheese. Their cheese is good too. I like their cheese. Okay, so these are some of the things we're thinking about is what we like about a country. Well, what could we do? Well, what are the parts of a country really? So if we break a country down, these are the parts of a country. Okay, you have the geography. Okay, now geography is talking about the mountains, the lakes, the rivers, the deserts, the oceans, okay? That's geography. mountains, lakes, rivers, deserts, forests. Okay, we also have the weather. Okay. So the weather would be the seasons: fall, winter, spring, summer. Is it sunny? Is it hot? Is it cold? Does it rain a lot? Is it rainy? Okay. So sunny, cloudy, rainy. Okay, so these are all doing with the weather. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, hot, cold, snowy. Okay, these are the weather. But the people are important too to a country. What do the people look like? What do the people do? Okay, do most of the people work as at big companies? Do most of the women work at home? Okay, so this is also what makes up a country, is the people, what they look like and what they do, okay? So in the U.S., we are a melting pot of people, meaning we're like a big hot pot of people. Okay, we're all very, very different. We all look different. Some of us even speak differently. We come from different places. We have different backgrounds. Okay, that's what makes the U.S. really special, is everybody is so different, but we all come together and work together, okay? But in other countries, maybe the people are all poor. In other countries, maybe the people are all really rich. Or Switzerland, do you know Switzerland? It's next to France and Italy. And the people there all have really nice houses, really good jobs. It's a really good country to be in, okay? So that's why a lot of people like to visit there. Then we have language. Okay, what do they speak? English, German, Japanese, Egyptian, okay, those are all languages. Okay, then you have the size of the country, okay? How big is the country? Does it take 5 hours just to go from the north to the south? Or does it take 5 days to go from the north to the south, okay? So if we think of Taiwan, Taiwan is a smaller country. We could, in maybe 5, 6, 7 hours, drive from Taipei to Kaohsiung in 5 or 6 or 7 hours, okay? But if you try to do that in the U.S., you will not get very far, okay? So it can be a very different experience. Then there's the borders, okay? What is on the outside of the country? Is it ocean? Okay, so like Taiwan is an island, so Taiwan is all ocean. Or does one side have another country? Okay, and are those countries fighting or are they at peace? Okay, so if you think of maybe, I'm trying to think, 2 countries. So North Korea and South Korea. So South Korea, its borders are ocean and North Korea. Okay, but South Korea and North Korea, they're not very peaceful, right? So more people would feel a little not sure about going to that country. But if you go to the U.S., the U.S. has ocean, Mexico, and Canada, and all are peaceful, okay? Except for U.S. and Mexico is kind of so-so. We have a big wall to keep people from Mexico out. Okay, so those are borders. What's on the outside of the country? Alright, and then, let's see here. Weather, people, language.